ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமஹ. ஹரி ஓம்.
இலை, புஷ்பம், பழம், தண்ணீர் இவை எதையேனும் யார் பக்தியுடன் சமர்ப்பிக்கிறாரோ அதில் நான் திருப்தியடைகிறேன். நேர்மையற்ற பக்தியை நான் ஏற்பதில்லை. இறையருள் கீதை.
ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமஹ. Sharvari Tamil year, Tamil month of Margazhi, 12th day, 27th December 2020, Sunday morning 5:22 am. Saturn transits from Uttarada Nakshatra, first Padam Dhanur Rasi to second Padam Makara Rasi at Vrishchika Lagna and Mars Hore. Mesha Rasi, Ashwini Nakshatra, Bharani Nakshatra and Kritika Nakshatra, first Padam. Saturn comes to the 10th place, which is the Jivanasthana, and it also deals with business and work related aspects. Though this time is seen to be dull and lethargic, continuous hard work with sincerity will yield satisfactory results. Do not lose hope. Ashwini Nakshatra. For people born in Ashwini Nakshatra, Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the third Nakshatra and third Paryaya. Avoid unnecessary expenditures. Postpone court cases. Do not believe anyone easily and indulge in any work upon them. Maintain a give and take policy with family and friends. Prepare a to-do list and work accordingly to avoid absent-mindedness. Starting new businesses can be postponed, but be prepared for new ventures. Health. Quit smoking if you have it as a habit. Avoid junk food and fast food. Take care of your heart and stomach. Do regular exercises and yoga to keep the mind and body fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a healthy life. Education. Students are required to take notes of the lessons taught and study with concentration. Do meditation and yoga for having good memory power and IQ. Work. Be friendly with fellow colleagues and treat them with respect and kindness. Be mindful about your work. This is good for all. Business. People involved in business are expected to treat their customers with due respect and work sincerely for a good payoff. Agriculture. Continue with the existing crops and do not indulge in new experiments. However, new crops will be beneficial after 12 months. Court cases. Postpone court cases for 6 months, after which time will be favorable. Fine arts. People in fine arts will see good progress and the time is extremely beneficial for them. House or land. Buying and selling of land and houses will yield good profit. Vehicle. Do not indulge in buying new vehicle for 6 months. Continue with the same old vehicle. Marriage. Favorable time for marriage initiatives. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. People born in Ashwini Nakshatra should worship Kali, Bhairavar and Saraswati and seek their blessings for good fortune. Ashwini Nakshatra Moola Mantra and Ashwini Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times daily for good fortune. Ashwini Nakshatra Moola Mantra. Vam Aim Hrim Shrim Aim Klim Saum Ashwini Nakshatra Adhipaya Ashvibhyan Namaha. Ashwini Nakshatra Gayatri Mantram. Om Shvetavarnyai Vidmahe Sudhakarayai Dhimahi Tanno Ashwinau Prachodayat. Bharani Nakshatra. For people born in Bharani Nakshatra, Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the second Nakshatra and third Paryaya. Family responsibilities are likely to increase. Don't avoid any responsibility and take it up boldly. Opposite genders are required to deal each other carefully as there are chances for unnecessary hatred and conflicts. Feed cow along with its calf. Do Go Puja and Devi Puja. This period is fruitful and beneficial for transgenders as well. Health. Health aspects are good. Do regular exercises and yoga to keep the mind and body fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a healthy life. Education. Good progress is seen in studies. Students can take up new subjects and obtain success. Do meditation and yoga for having good memory power and IQ. Work. Be responsible and careful in the work front. Business. People involved in business are expected to be careful. You can expect good profit. Agriculture. Farmers will have good fortune and see a steady progress. Court cases. Civil cases are favorable and criminal cases are not favorable. Worship God with full devotion for good results. Fine arts. Female artists will be more beneficial than male artists. House. It is advisable not to change from the existing house. Buying and selling of house is not favorable. Land. Real estate business will flourish. Buying land for self will be beneficial after 6 months. Vehicle. It is a good time for vehicle dealings. However, buying a new vehicle can be done after 6 months. Marriage. After 12 months, time is favorable for marriage initiatives. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. People born in Bharani Nakshatra should worship Kali, Bhairavar and Saraswati and seek their blessings for good fortune. Bharani Nakshatra Moola Mantra and Bharani Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times daily for good fortune. Bharani Nakshatra Moola Mantra. Om Aim Hrim Shrim Am Ham Yam Abhabharani Nakshatra Adhipaya Yamaya Namaha. Bharani Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Om Krishnavarnayai Vidmahe Dhandadharayai Dhimahe Tanno Bharani Prachodayat. Kritika Nakshatra. For people born in Kritika Nakshatra, Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the Trijanma Nakshatra Uttarada. Jupiter is in the Neecha Sthana. Hence, good fortunes will be meager. Saturn, having the Shani Dasha for Uttarada Nakshatra, will not be benefic. Small or acute health disorders will come and subside. Be careful in giving loan. Avoid unnecessary debts until the next Jupiter transit. Concentrate on worshipping God and spend more time in spiritual matters and charity programs. Worship Lord Vishnu on Saturdays. Health. Small or acute health disorders will come and subside. Do regular exercises and yoga to keep the body and mind fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a healthy life. Education. Students are required to study with complete concentration. Do meditation and yoga for having good memory power and IQ. Work. Be polite and patient at workplace. Avoid unnecessary arguments. Business. Fire-related works will be beneficial. Air and water-related businesses are not favorable. Do not lose hope even if the situation is dull. Worship God with full devotion for better results. Agriculture. Continue with the existing crops and do not indulge in new experiments. Court cases. Postpone court cases for 12 months, after which time will be favorable. Avoid visiting courts unnecessarily. Fine arts. Female artists will be more beneficial than male artists. Male artists are required to pray to Aditya Bhagavan, and female artists should worship goddess Durga for steady success. House. It is advisable to stay in the existing house. Do not indulge in buying new houses now. After 12 months, time is favorable for buying a new house. Land. Buying or selling of land will yield profit. However, buying land for self will be beneficial after 6 months. Vehicle. Be careful while traveling. Do not indulge in buying new vehicle for 6 months. Marriage. Time is appropriate for marriage talks or initiatives for both male and female after 12 months. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. People born in Kritika Nakshatra should worship Vishnu, Anjaneya and Durga and seek their blessings for good fortune. Kritika Nakshatra Moola Mantra and Kritika Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times daily for good fortune. Kritika Nakshatra Moola Mantra. Om Aim Hrim Shrim Ram Gam Am Kritika Nakshatra Adhipaya Agnaye Namaha. Kritika Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Om Manhidehayai Vidmahe Mahatapayai Dhimahe Tanna Kritika Prachodayat. A request to all the 12 Rashi people. For those who are not aware of your family deity, please consult with family elders and know them. If it is not known, worship your favorite god and seek their blessings. We all tend to carry out all the remedies prescribed by expert astrologers, but still a few of us are facing hardships. Whatever dharma and worship we do, that will definitely yield good result. This birth is a result of the deeds that we have done in the previous births as per the Shastra. Hence, do not be lethargic and lose hope. We are required to follow dharma and work sincerely with pure devotion to achieve success in life. Help others who are in need. Have a good and positive circle of people around you always. Respect elders in your family, guru, and other worshipful people, without which no pariharam or prayashchittam will be effective.